Enhancing Redshift Security, Managing and Rotating Passwords with AWS Secrets Manager and KMS. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass, LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. In today's cloud-native environment, securing database credentials is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your applications. AWS Secrets Manager and Key Management Service, KMS, offer powerful tools to manage and rotate passwords securely. This podcast explores leveraging these services to manage and rotate AWS Redshift passwords effectively, ensuring your data remains secure. Introduction to AWS Secrets Manager and KMS for credential security. AWS Secrets Manager is a service designed to help you securely store and manage access to your application secrets, such as database credentials, API keys, and other sensitive information. With automatic rotation, fine-grained access control, and audit capabilities, Secrets Manager ensures that your secrets are always up to date and secure. AWS Key Management Service, KMS, complements Secrets Manager by providing encryption keys that protect your secrets at rest. KMS enables you to manage encryption keys and define who can access them, adding an extra layer of security to your credentials. Creating or modifying your Redshift cluster for Secrets Manager integration. Integrating Secrets Manager with your Redshift cluster is straightforward. When creating a new Redshift cluster, you can specify that Secrets Manager stores the master user password. This integration ensures that your password is encrypted and managed securely, and you can rotate it automatically according to a schedule. To modify an existing Redshift cluster to use Secrets Manager, you can update the cluster configuration to specify the ARN of the secret containing the master user password. This step is crucial for transitioning from manual password management to a more secure, automated solution. Directly managing admin credentials in Secrets Manager during cluster creation. When you create a Redshift cluster, you can directly manage the admin credentials in Secrets Manager. You can generate a new secret or use an existing one during the cluster creation process. Doing this ensures that the master user password is never exposed in plain text and is always encrypted using KMS. Secrets Manager also allows you to set up automatic rotation for these credentials, reducing the risk of stale or compromised passwords. With automatic rotation, you can define the rotation interval and specify a Lambda function to handle the rotation logic, ensuring that your Redshift cluster always uses the most secure credentials. Transitioning existing manual passwords to Secrets Manager. If you're managing Redshift passwords manually, it's wise to transition to Secrets Manager. First, you'll need to create a new secret in Secrets Manager containing your existing password. Once the secret is created, update your Redshift cluster configuration to use the new secret's ARN. After the transition, you can enable automatic rotation, allowing Secrets Manager and KMS to seamlessly handle password updates, storage, and encryption. This approach enhances security and simplifies password management across your AWS environment. Creating and configuring an IAM role for Redshift with Secrets Manager access. For Redshift to access secrets stored in Secrets Manager, you must create and configure an IAM role with the necessary permissions. This role should allow Redshift to retrieve the secret containing the master user password and perform any critical operations. To create the IAM role, navigate to the IAM console and create a new role. Attach the Secrets Manager read write policy to the role, granting Redshift the ability to retrieve and manage secrets. Specify the Redshift service as the trusted entity for this role. Once the IAM role is created, attach it to your Redshift cluster. This setup ensures your cluster can securely access and rotate passwords stored in Secrets Manager. Automatic secret creation and rotation in Secrets Manager with KMS encryption. One of the most powerful features of Secrets Manager is its ability to create and rotate secrets automatically. When making a secret for your Redshift cluster, you can enable automatic rotation by specifying a Lambda function that handles the rotation logic. Secrets Manager uses KMS to encrypt the secret, ensuring it remains secure. KMS manages the encryption keys and enforces strict access controls, adding a security layer to your credentials. To set up automatic secret rotation, enable rotation when creating the secret in Secrets Manager. Specify the rotation interval, for example, 30 days, and select or create a Lambda function for the rotation logic. Verify that the secret is correctly associated with your Redshift cluster. Connecting to Redshift Query Editor with Secrets Manager for seamless authentication. Connecting to the Redshift Query Editor using credentials stored in Secrets Manager offers a seamless and secure authentication experience. Instead of manually entering your password, the Query Editor retrieves the password from Secrets Manager, ensuring your credentials are always protected. To connect, open the Redshift Query Editor in the AWS Management Console. When prompted for credentials, select the option to use a secret stored in Secrets Manager. Choose the appropriate secret and connect to your Redshift cluster. This method simplifies the login process and ensures your credentials remain secure and encrypted throughout the session. Conclusion: achieving robust Redshift credential management. By integrating AWS Secrets Manager and KMS with your Redshift cluster, you can achieve robust credential management that enhances security and simplifies password rotation. This approach reduces the risk of compromised credentials, ensures compliance with security best practices, and provides peace of mind knowing that your data is protected by industry-leading encryption and access control. With Secrets Manager and KMS, you can confidently manage your Redshift credentials, automate rotation, and securely connect to your cluster, ensuring your data remains safe in the cloud. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.